How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So on this video, I'm going to be doing the maintenance light or oil life light reset on a 2023 and newer Honda Pilot. So you could either do this with ignition on or the car running. We're just going to start the car at this point. And as you can see, the oil life light's at 5%. So we're going to use the button here just to confirm that. And the maintenance is due. So now you're going to come right over here. You could either use the controls here or the infotainment system. The infotainment's a little bit easier. So you're gonna scroll here to the side and you're gonna go to vehicle settings. Once you're here, you're gonna hit the arrow once again and you're gonna go into maintenance info. So the car is due for an oil change. As you can see, if it was due for something else, it would be listed here, like a rotation, brake fluid, transmission fluid, etc. So we're gonna select reset items, and again here you could select whatever you want. We're gonna do all due items, even though we could do just an oil change, but we'll do all due items and just hit reset. After a few seconds it should be good, and here we are at 100%. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I do videos just like this on all the newer Honda and Acuras that are coming out. Also do tire light resets, DIY videos, tips and tricks and stuff like that.